Most beginners quit because they try a bucket list hike first. Real confidence comes from this boring, 5-step progression plan. Stop looking for the best views or top-rated trails on social media. Your first hike has one specific goal: testing your shoes and pack without consequence. If you start with a summit, you are gambling with safety. Hike 1 is the Shakedown. It must be under 3 miles, flat, and within cell service. If your boots rub or your pack hurts, you want to be 20 minutes from your car, not halfway up a mountain. For hikes 2 and 3, we isolate variables. Hike 2 doubles your distance, but stays flat. Hike 3 keeps the distance short, but adds elevation. Never increase distance and steepness at the same time during this phase. This creates a physiological safety buffer. Most rescues happen because beginners combine new gear, steep climbs, and long miles all at once. By splitting them, you identify weak points before they become injuries. Hike 4 is the duration test. Aim for 3 to 4 hours of moving time. This is where you discover chafing, hunger spikes, and water weight. A heavy pack feels fine for an hour, but can ruin your back by hour 3. Finally, Hike 5 combines them. Distance plus elevation. You are now physically adapted to your gear and mentally prepared for the effort. This is how you earn the bucket list view without the anxiety. Here is the complete framework. Follow this sequence strictly. If you struggle at any step, repeat that specific hike until it feels easy before moving forward. Do not skip levels. Your goal this week isn't a mountain summit. It's a 2-mile walk in a local park with your backpack on. Build the habit first, then chase the horizon. Start small, build slowly, and stay safe out there.